Hello guys, today I'll be trying to beat the drills alone, and by the way I'll just try getting the armored train for some reason. I don't know, I've been trying it with my friends. It's been really hard. And by the way, sorry again for not posting on my other channel. It's because I've been busy with school and stuff, and my mom wouldn't let me play a lot. Okay, so to the video. Right now I'll buy 2 coal, and what else? Do I buy another coal or band-aids? I'm gonna buy another coal and 1 band-aid. It'll help. By the way, sometimes I'll be muting myself because of family reasons. Just don't ask why. And I swear, if y'all are saying, why are you doing that? I'll be so mad. JK. Okay. I spent way too much time in this damn safe zone. I'ma go. Goddamn. By the way, guys, if y'all are gonna enjoy this video, make sure to like. I'm not forcing you to subscribe, but just like. All I want is likes, no subscribers. Like, y'all could just subscribe if you want. Man, only if I was conductor. Okay, where do I go? How is it nighttime already? It's only been 2 minutes. How is it nighttime already? And why is there nothing except a vase in here? I'm gonna just take this for fun. Did I actually travel that much in like 5 seconds? No, I only traveled 1,000 meters and it's already nighttime. What? By the way, if you're asking why my voice sounds weird and high-pitched, I'm sick. Okay, so where do I go? Oh my god, where the hell do I go? Oh yeah, I'm so dumb, I forgot where I was going. I'm going to the first town and raiding it. By the way, tell you guys why I've been trying to get the armored train. Because I already have all the classes. The only thing I need is the trains. By the way, who agrees with me that Gold Rush train is absolutely trash? Like, it's just for flexing. And who even invented flexing in the first place? I don't know. But I don't want to find out. Okay, by the way, this might be a long video, but if y'all want to actually watch it, watch it. Okay, where do I go? Why do I keep saying where do I go? I'm going to the town, that's where. I'm so dumb. Like, what happened to my IQ? It went like my IQ is a frying pan. I'm gonna stay here until daytime. I just killed somebody. Who cares? Oh, it's daytime. I literally just stopped and it's daytime. What is this? Okay, hello. I'll be getting loads of help. just gonna turn on my mic and I had to leave and I couldn't move, but then I died. What is this logic? Okay. By the way, guys, I'm sorry if y'all don't like the mobile device, but that's the only thing I have since somebody took my laptop and I couldn't play on that. But if y'all want to see more Dead Rails videos, just comment. It's easy. Like I think Einstein level. By the way, I might mute my mic at any time. Okay. I like vampire class since it spawns with the vampire knife, and if I had an auto clicker, it would be so OP. Yes. Mining helmet, nice. That's just what I needed. Now I don't have to stop anywhere or any place. And god damn, that's bright. I always wondered what would happen if 3 mining helmets and the train's light combined. And you were on full graphics. That's a question. Okay. By the way, look, I'm gonna be skipping the ores because they're mostly trash. And I only have the shovel to damage it, and the vampire knife only does like one. Oh, outlaws. Or one outlaw. Well, he just headshotted me. 3 HP, I guess. Weld ya, get ya, and make ya fuel. Wait, is there another outlaw? No way that outlaw just spawned right here and the rest of his buddies are in this mountain. Man, that would be just crazy. Well, that's a shame. Okay, guys, by the way, if I see outlaws, I'll definitely be killing them since they give 35. Oh, nice. Gunsmith. For some reason, the shovel is glitchy because in the last update, whenever you jumped left, you somehow jumped faster. I don't know how that thing still exists. Ooh, navy revolver. I just wish there was some ammo for it. Now I'm gonna take these. And I still don't know how we can block the sun. That's just crazy. Whoop. Okay, let's go. I might be running out of fuel soon, but I'll definitely get to the town. And guys, pro tip, whenever you're at the town, make sure, even if you're full fuel, put some zombies so when you run out of fuel and you don't have any coal, you could just not wait until nighttime and just put the zombies as fuel immediately. I've always been doing that, but eh. I was just, my fuel was just there. How did it just decrease till there? I gotta rate this gunsmith for its fuel. I swear, if there are no zombies here, I'll be so mad. What? Oh, 2 zombies. Nice. Vampire knife OP as hell, man. Rifle ammo? Oh, rifle ammo, nice. Ooh, lightning rod. Okay, now you zombies are gonna go in the furnace. Oh, yeah. Oh, goddamn. Let's go. Okay, at least we have some fuel left. I think I see the town already, or nah, that's just my hallucinations. Yeah, there's a town. By the way, for some reason, it's always a small town. Like, I get it, it's always a small town because you're way too underprepared. But sometimes, you're maybe too overprepared from the starting items. Oh, now that was a good one. The TNT zombie just saved my life. Oh, another TNT zombie. Just gotta make sure all of them are next to bro. And wish came true. Oh crap, I might be cooked. Chat, I might be cooked. Let me just do the old switcheroo. Are they all this dumb? Free health, man. I'm not even afraid of the night since the vampire knife is OP as hell. And I just cleared the whole town only with a melee weapon. To be fair, it is the most OP one, but oh, milk and 2 coal. Is that a TNT zombie? That's a T. Oh, I better make. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh, I just had a heart attack. I thought I was gonna get cooked because of his TNT. Yo, guys! By the way, fun fact: new banks always have more loot. But sometimes the game just forgets about the new banks and it's always like 3 silver bars and that's it. Yeah, what time is it right now? What time is it right now? Crap. 5. The best. My favorite time is the 5 time. Ooh, I'm gonna get these coal. Make sure I don't run out of fuel. Wait, can this even get burned? It's a paper and it can't get burned. The logic is just magnificent. What? Magnificent. What am I saying? Oh. Did y'all know once I saw it raining milk? No, like I swear it was raining milk. Oh, didn't see you there. Okay, I swear if this bank has trash loot. 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Oh, good loot, I guess. By the way, don't ask why I have. By the way, the fact that I have 230 bonds, it's because of the armored train. I've been saving up. Oh, I think I got. You know what? Never mind. By the way, fun fact: did you know that you could actually get holy water? No, like the water itself. You just need a bottle and throw the holy water, and then you. Sorry, I wasn't talking. My mic was off. That outlaws or just normal werewolves and wolves? Oh, those were wolves and werewolves. Nice, I guess. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, goddamn. $20. 50, 50, 50, 25, 50, 25, 20. Oh, I mean 50. Okay, I'm gonna definitely buy a rifle. And maybe some revolver ammo also, since I already have a revolver. I think like 5 rifle ammo is good. And that's it. Okay, some revolver ammo, maybe like 2. Since I won't be using the revolver that much, I'll only be using it like once my rifle is out of ammo. Okay. Oh, for some reason I wanna piss. Nah. Oh yes, I could buy some a sheet. Why did I glitch my rifle in this? Oh, I'll definitely buy 1 coal. Nah, I'm gonna buy a lot more. Okay, box of metal sheet. By the way, guys, I might just mute myself real quick and have to AFK. I won't be that AFK, but I'll just mute my mics for some reason, okay? Because my battery is gonna run low. Or I'll just mute my mic and stop yapping.